Welcome to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. Today we have got an exciting news for aspiring data enthusiasts. If you are passionate about business intelligence and data analytics, keep watching further. Beinex, a leading tech company, is on the lookout for trainees in business intelligence. Whether you are a recent graduate or switching careers, Beinex welcomes you. The joining date is immediate or within 30 days. You need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or any relevant field. Data science grads, you are also invited. As a trainee in business intelligence, you will be a part of a dynamic team. Your responsibilities include data acquisition, maintenance, and analysis. Now let's talk about Power BI. Power BI is a superhero cape for data analysts. With Power BI, you will create stunning visualizations, analyze data, and make informed decisions. At OdinSchool, we have crafted a PL300 certification course just for you. No prior Power BI knowledge is required. Dive into the modules like data modeling, DAX calculations, and report creation. With this certification, you will be a sought-after data wizard. Imagine empowering businesses with actionable insights. Yes, that's what you want to do. So, are you ready to level up your career? Check out the job opening at Beinex and don't forget to explore our Power BI course. Links are in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's unlock your data-driven journey together. Remember, the future belongs to those who analyze it today. See you in the next video.